Watch out now. Right now we're there live in a Bobby Digital studio. Yes, what I say, but rename it and call it the House of Hit Records because be a Hit Records producer right so you have Black Woman and Child. Yes, what I say, Sizzler, you have Shabba Rankin, you have Ninja Man, you have Garnet Silk, Market Heritage. So it's like a bag of hits. Alright, see there?
What I really want is to be on top. Yeah, most definitely. And I like when people are talking about me still.
Bounty Killer is going to call you the spawn of the devil. It's a Tommy Lee thing.
No, definitely not. Persons are
Yeah, of course you're influenced by Tommy Lee. I mean,
No, I wouldn't say that. But the thing is, the irony, I sing songs about female sexual liberation. I sing songs about issues that affect the nation, such as social commentary. I sing songs about happiness, really. But this is us. Something to captivate the interest of many persons. And I think...
What sort of feedback you getting from people that are freaked out?
Some are freaked out, but there's no need to be freaked out, man. I mean, it's just to captivate interest because I'm a shock value artist and I bring theatrics.
Alkaline is a different... When time I say I have a different level of respect for Alkaline. And what I admire about Alkaline the most is its exclusiveness. You can't see Alkaline walk up and down on halfway tree road or they're all over the place and them something. I never see Alkaline in real life.
So you drive the car look wild, so you really see me drive the car come in here so and really ask me can see.
The DJ confident he has the skills to stay in play while others run out of steam.
What do you think? If it's a matter of time, make we see what going on. You want to take me I do? Girl out my thing and party out my thing? I must know me I do. And music me set. So whosoever prefer say, oh, him so feel, him so drop, him hype so done, make we see what going on.
Them a talk up so much thing, boy. What them know about background? What them know about our bloodline? What them know about our life? What them know where we come
Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Erland Bartley. My hobbies are singing, dancing, reading, and acting. In the future, God's willing, I will become a doctor or a research scientist. Thank you.
Erland, over to you. Name the two main organs that are protected by our ribs.
The lungs and the heart.
That's correct. What name, Erland, back to you. What name is given to the initial stage of sexual development in humans?
Puberty.
That's correct.
In an era of clicks, views, and digestible bits, Alkaline appears to be going against the grain again.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's a boss, Nando in our building, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, may I forward with something new today. We want to talk about the evolution of dancehall artist Alkaline. And for those who aren't familiar with Alkaline's upbringing and how he emerged on the dancehall scene, you need to listen to this one. But before we get into the vlog, viewers and subscribers, I want to ask you guys to do me a favor by just liking, subscribing, and commenting in the comment section. And make sure y'all share the video, and also hit that post notification bell so whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So I wrote down a whole summary yesterday and also something like an essay with some rundowns and Alkaline's upbringing, how him forward upon the scene, how him emerge, the fight where him get the criticism and the controversy that follows him, and how he stand out to stood on top and becomes one of today's top contender in the dancehall. So let's just jump right into it, viewers and subscribers. The evolution of dancehall artist Alkaline. Dancehall has always been a space where individuality and boldness are celebrated, but also fiercely contested. In such an environment, it takes more than talent to rise above the noise. It requires resilience, creativity, and the ability to connect deeply with people's realities. Few modern artists embody these traits as strongly as Erland Bartley, better known by his stage name Alkaline. Since his emergence in the early 2013, Alkaline has fought his way through criticism, controversy, and industry pushback to become one of the most influential voices in dancehalls today. His story is not just about music, but also about determination, cultural impact, and the power of self-belief. Alkaline's rise to fame was anything but conventional. He entered the dancehall space as a bold teenager with a distinct sound, lyrical edge, and an image that set him apart. His early singles such as Things Me Love, 123 and Live Live introduced audience to a voice that was youthful, raw, and fiercely. His persona, complete with bleached skin, controversial lyrics, and the infamous eye tattoos, steering immediate attention. While many accused him of using shock value to gain fame, his style resonated with younger fans who were searching for something different in a space often dominated by older, more established acts. Remember back in the time where you have the Buju Band, where you have the Mavado, the Vibes Cartel, the Conscience, the Ayatine, you name it. Those were the guys who were dominating the space of dancehall when Alkaline just emerged, and the Popcorn them also. So, Alkaline boldness, however, did not come without consequences. From the moment he gained visibility, he faced immense scrutiny. Industry veterans, sections of the media, and even fellow artists criticized him for being too controversial and disrespectful to dancehall's traditions. His explicit lyrics were viewed as corrupting, while his public image was often labeled as gimmicky. Some even doubt his ability to last in the industry. Remember, a lot of people were saying that Alkaline not gonna last 2 years in a dancehall, but see today Alkaline is still relevant, still prominent in the space of dancehall.
The people in general, they are more educated. So right now we need some more educated artists, because really and truly, you don't really want some artists who represent dancehall music who can't put two sentences good together. And so I say it's kind of embarrassing. You see me? So right now we just bring personality, we are bringing gangster, we are bringing intelligence, we are bringing a whole package because it's entertainment. You see me I say, and it's bigger than just Jamaica. You see me I say.
But instead of bowing to pressure, Alkaline leaned into the resistance. He remained unapologetic in his craft, sharpening his lyrical ability and diversifying his subject matter. The decision not only silenced many critics over time, but also proved that his artistry went beyond controversy.
See me drive the car look a while, so you really see me drive the car come in here, so and really ask me against it.
The DJ confident he has the skills to stay in play while others run out of steam.
What do you think? If it's a matter of time, make we see what going on. You want to take me, I do girl out my thing and party out my thing. I must know me, I do. And music me set. So whosoever prefer say, oh, him so feel, him so drop, him hype so done, make we see what going on.
As for
he was determined to show that he was more than an overnight sensation. That he had the vision and talent to stay relevant in a competitive space. The influence on the youth? One of Alkaline's most remarkable achievements is the way he connected with the Jamaica's youth. His ability often reflected their daily struggles, poverty, ambition, survival, and desire for respect. Songs like Champion Boy, songs like Where We Are Gonna Do became motivational anthems, emerging young listeners to rise above their circumstances and embrace self-confidence. The boldness of his delivery gave youths a sense of empowerment, convincing them that it was possible to chart their own course. even when faced with oppositions. Beyond motivation, Alkaline also influenced fashion, slang, and lifestyle among his fans who proudly call themselves Vendetta. His presence redefined what it meant to be young and daring in dancehall, making him a cultural figure who influenced not just music but also identity and self-expression. Evolution into a top contender. As his career matured, Alkaline showed his versatility by delivering not only hardcore dancehall tracks but also songs that carried deeper themes and emotions. His 2016 debut album New Level Unlock cemented his place as a serious artist. The project topped the Billboard Reggae album chart, proving his global reach and silencing many doubters. Tracks like City and Formula highlighted his lyrical sharpness and storytelling abilities, further showing that his artistry could not be dismissed as mere controversy. With a loyal fan base and international recognition, Alkaline quickly became one of the top contenders in dancehall's industry. He stood alongside established acts like Vybz Kartel, Movado, and Popcorn, yet maintained a distinct space for himself by staying true to his individuality. His ability to continuously release impactful singles and remain relevant in a constantly shifting industry speak to his strategic vision as both an artist and a brand. Conclusion: the evolution of Alkaline is a story of perseverance, influence, and transformation from his controversial emergence to his rise as one of dancehall's leading figure. He has proven that authenticity and determination can overcome even the harshest criticism. His influence on the youth demonstrates the power of music to inspire, motivate, and shape identity. Today, Alkaline stands not just as a dancehall artist, but as a symbol of resilience. Someone who carved his own lane and left an undeniable mark on the industry. His journey continues to evolve, but one thing is certain: Alkaline's name will remain etched in the history of dancehall as one of its boldest and most impactful stars. And that is a small summary, a small rundown of Alkaline's emerged on the dancehall scene. But what this shows you that youths, if you believe in yourself, so you can be anything in a life. Believe in your dream, because what? Fight are going to come, criticism are going to come, tear down, pull down are going to come, pushback are going to come. But still, if you stay firm, stay believing in our dream, stay upon the right path, believing that anything is possible, you can become whatever you put on your mind to. Take it as me tell you, Alkaline story is one to study. Alkaline rise to fame is one to study. You remember when Alkaline came on the scene and there was a video where he was on the school challenge quiz saying that he was going to become a research scientist. So much things he aimed to become. He became a lot today. He became someone today where we can say, we can look to him for inspiration, look to him for motivation. Alkaline, the youngest and the baddest, or he may not be the youngest and the baddest, he may not be the youngest today, but you can definitely say he's one of the baddest. One of dancehall's most prolific prodigy in a dancehall. He's a prolific body of work to look to, a prolific person, a prolific artist to look to. Because Alkaline, yeah. The vendetta boss, the man himself, as him call himself, he is somebody to look to for inspiration and motivation. His story is one to remember and go back into history and forward back. Now, you're going to see it all over again. If his story is repeated 2 or 3 times, yeah, it's going to be remembered throughout the history. But viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts. If you don't like this evolution of Alkaline, this whole summary or essay, as I would call it, of Alkaline's evolution. Make me know what you think in the comment section. Viewers and subscribers, you know it's your boy Vibes and Insight with Nando, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know it got already, man. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.
40 cents, yeah? Or you can try devices, including cell phones, smarts you may know. And mechanize. One more contest, thank you. What does that? We're going to see again soon, thank you.
When I make step, when I make move, hey. Fears with them, can't fears, man. Deal with them, can't deal with.